we'll give you a $50 Walmart e-gift card.
$50 Walmart e-gift card.
You can get a refund and get a $50 e-gift card to spend at Walmart.
50 big ones.
Requires bank approval. Save big at Menards. How big? 11% big. With an 11% rebate on everything, make it warmer. No, 11% warmer. With all water heaters, fireplaces, and insulation. From paint to appliances to the tools to get your job done. There's no end to the possibilities with an 11% rebate on your entire purchase right now at Menards. No, really, I mean it. Save 11% on everything in the store. That's an 11% rebate on building materials, from plywood to trusses and lumber. Save 11% on all carpet, tile, and wood flooring. And 11% rebate on all ceiling fans, faucets, and power tools. Save 11% on anything you buy in the store. Seriously, 11% is here only until April 18th. So stop in today and save big. 11% big.
I love the floors in the family room.
I love the open pan.
Love the big window.
Is it okay to look risky? Yes, there's a lot of love in a place you live. And BMO Harris wants to help make it yours. From home purchase to home improvement, BMO Harris has a home loan to help make it possible. We'll work with you from start to finish. Whether you're buying a new home or renovating the one you've got, we want to help you find a home loan or line of credit that may be right for you.
I think I'm in love. A wallpaper in the bathroom.
Special limited time offers are available, so stop in a nearby branch or visit us at BMOHarris.com/home. We're here to help. Certain restrictions apply. No products and services subject to factory. BMO Harris NDA. Member FDIC. Equal housing lender NMLS 401052.
Now riding shotgun in your four-door sedan. You've spent the past hour and a half making me into a beefy beanie cream of mushroomy slurry by Bolton.
Alright, so I went to 2 different stores in Wisconsin, and this is what I got at the first store, Victory Fireworks. I got about $160 worth of fireworks, and then at the second store, which I had been to before, the first one I had not, I got $39 plus some free stuff. So to start off at the Victory Fireworks, the first store, what I was really looking for and found were these critical acclaim shells. I've seen quite a few videos on these before. If you don't know what this is, it's just a mine effect. It was a little pricey at $70, but then everything in the store was buy one get one for 99 cents. So you get 2 for $71. So I've really wanted these in the past, and I'm very glad that I got them now. And so there's 2 there. I'm going to be doing a video on these later because they're just awesome. Then after that, I got some just magical Roman candles. I got these before. $8 for 2. It's pretty good. They had a discount table, which is where I picked this up. It's the Crazy Magnum 8-shot. I think it's just like a Roman candle. I'm not really expecting too much, but I mean, it's pretty heavy, so that'll be pretty cool to shoot off. Then I got these Shogun color smoke balls. I mean, these are like very heavy with 72 smoke balls in here, and so I got 2 of those. And I think it said that it was color changing, so that's gonna be pretty cool. It just like changes color. So I'm gonna also do a video on these, so look for one on that. Then on the discount table, we got these Brilliant Rays. I think they're kind of like a firecracker. There's only 6 in there, so they should be fairly large. But I mean, it doesn't really show me anything, so I'm also gonna do a video on that maybe. I've never had these like large firecrackers before, so this is the first time I've got that. It's the M88, which I know is just kind of like a cheap M80. I mean, M80s are not legal, so I'm not expecting too much. We got some magic whips on the discount table, and they actually look pretty good. I think they might be old because the color is fading on them, but they look pretty good. Then at the Pyro City, they had a deal where you get buy 1 of these 6 shell kits, and you get 2 for free. So you just buy 1. It was $26. So that's fairly decent for 3 of those packages. Then I got 2 packages of Mama Smoke. These are like smoke balls, except a lot long. They last a lot longer and are much bigger. And it tells you which color, but I mean the packaging really tells you which color. The last thing I got was the World Class, essentially just firecrackers. I actually got these for free because on their website they had a coupon for a free package of 200 firecrackers. So if you ever go to Pyro City in Baldwin, Wisconsin, look on their website because they have a coupon for a free 200 package of firecrackers. So that was my fireworks shopping trip. I mean, this is really what I was looking for, so everything else was pretty much just bonus. And thank you for watching.